I would like to make it clear that we are a council that listens to our residents and businesses here in East Talbot. Last week, councillors at the Visible Services and Street Scene Scrutiny Committee considered a report outlining a number of options relating to car parking charges here at Aberafan seafront. These options were brought forward after listening to the views of local residents, community groups, businesses and the recent public meeting that I attended. This has played a vital role in shaping the options now under review. At the meeting, a recommendation was put forward to revert to free parking along the on-street laybys, also adding 1 and 2 hour parking tariffs in the main car parks themselves. This recommendation also included suspending enforcement of the charges immediately. I gave assurances at the Scrutiny Committee meeting that we as a Cabinet will take swift action to meet as Cabinet as soon as possible. So I'm pleased today to announce that a final decision on the recommendations will be made at a meeting of Cabinet on Monday the 4th of August. It's worth noting, however, that we continue to face financial pressures and need to raise income to protect vital services. However, we also recognise the wider impact these charges have had on the community. That's why we are giving the matter the careful and balanced consideration it deserves. We will provide another update after this Cabinet meeting has taken place. But for now, I want to thank everyone who has taken the time to share their views in so many different ways. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you for listening.